I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning mods back on inside the game because the Sims 4 blocks scripts unless explicitly allowed. Go to Options, Other, and enable both custom content and script mods. Once done, save and fully quit the game so it can update its mod registry. Next, move your existing mods folder to the desktop to isolate items. This prevents conflicts while you test. This step narrows the problem fast. Do it to separate broken mods from working ones and to ensure a clean baseline for the next steps. You now methodically add content back so you can spot the offender. Put 5 to 10 items into the mods folder, start the game, and look for the mod's enabled notification. If it fails, remove those items and try a different batch. Pay attention to file types, packages for content, TS4 script for scripts, and always extract zipped mods before placing them. Also make sure each mod supports the current game patch. Outdated scripts often break the mod loader. This process identifies incompatible files without guesswork. To finish, clear persistent state by deleting cache files in document/electronic-arts/sims4 and restart the game. This often resolves lingering disable issues. If mods remain disabled, check the mod's loaded message and open the Sims 4 log to see error lines referencing specific mods. Remove or update those files accordingly. As a last resort, wipe the mods folder and reintroduce items singly or restore a backup that worked previously. If things go wrong, use the log as your key troubleshooting tip to find the culprit quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.